Today we're going to go through setting up our brand new two-way text messaging service. Once logged in, click on Other Services and then Vanity Numbers. This is going to bring you to your newly purchased long code SMS number. Once you see the number, click on the Edit button, and this will bring you to the settings for the voice broadcast. Click on SMS Settings to go to the two-way text messaging settings. From here, you can add a auto response message, so when someone texts your long code SMS, they will receive this message in return. Down at the bottom, you can set up notifications. This will allow you to receive either an email or a text message when someone sends in a new two-way text to your long code SMS number. In addition to email notifications or text message notifications, you're also able to download our free DialMyCalls mobile app and receive push notifications right on your phone whenever you receive a two-way text message. Now let's go ahead and create a one-on-one conversation with our two-way text messaging platform. At the top of your screen, you'll notice two little chat bubbles. Click on that and then click on two-way messages. From there, it's going to bring you to our two-way SMS platform. Click on New Message, and then you're going to select your long code SMS phone number. Go ahead and select the customer or contact you want to send this message to. Now go ahead and type out your message and hit send. The recipient you have selected will receive your text message immediately, and once they reply back, it will be available to view in your two-way SMS platform. Now, if you're not logged into your DialMyCalls account when they reply back, you will receive a notification via email or text message depending on the settings that you have chosen. Once logged back in and you read the text message reply, you are able to reply back to them, and it will just use 1 credit per reply out of the 450 credits that you're allotted each month. Keep in mind that all inbound text messages from your recipients are unlimited. It just costs 1 credit per reply that you send back. I hope you enjoyed our quick run through of our brand new two-way SMS text messaging platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 800-928-2086. Thank you.